Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to manage general costs in our database. First of all, we provide a tab dedicated to general costs and a list of cost types. These cost types are not associated to cost objects, so it's just a list that facilitates the fillings in our database. The general cost objects are plots, crops, and company. We do not include machines because we have already treated the depreciation, insurance, and maintenance cost in our system. The first cost object we treat is crop because it does not require an allocation. It's directly allocated to a crop. Therefore, for example, we allocate the cost directly to a crop, and we selected the wheat and we allocate the insurance cost of 500 and we paid exactly 500 as we expected. This cost is directly associated to this crop and is calculated without allocation. The second cost object is the plot, and as you see you can associate costs to a specific plot. We go to do it to field 2 and we work on trenches. The system inserts the today date and you can input a budget value and an actual value. Here you find a button dedicated to allocation procedure. If you press this button, the system will look for all the crops that make use of this field during the year, and it will allocate this cost and this cost to the crops according to the time they used the plot for that year. If the crop would be only one on that plot, the cost would go directly to that crop. Otherwise, it will be spread in more than one crop. The second possibility of allocation is for the cost object dedicated to company. Here you can insert, for example, administration costs. If we press allocate, the system would allocate the cost on crops, but here the driver would be different. It is considered as the extension of the crops on plots. So larger crops will receive a larger amount of this cost. Particularly important is the registration date because the selection of crops is done by the year. Therefore, this cost would go only on crops active during this year. With this video, we finish the series of the videos that explain how we process the data in this database. In the final video, I will show you general calculation on the crops cost.